Dear students, in this unit we will learn how human welfare depends on seed plants. Now, no group of plant is more important to human survival than the seed plants. Plants are key source of food, they are source of fuel, wood products, as well as medicine. Our reliance on seed plants make preservation of plants diversity very critical because it has led to the deforestation and elimination of so many species of seed plants. Now, our food comes from angiosperms. There are 6 crops which are very vital and they are important part of food for humans, which includes wheat, rice, corn, potatoes, cassava, and sweet potatoes. Now, modern crops, they are the result of genetic changes from artificial selections which occurs when human domesticated plants and tried to get more products from these plants. Farmers have breeded different plant seeds in order to get desirable traits, and this all has led to diversification and to the more use of these plants for human welfare. Traditionally, humans have also used plants as ornamental species through their use as decorations and as inspiration in their arts. As medicinal sources, plants are vital to humans, as many modern drugs have been derived from secondary plant metabolites. Even in ancient societies, they were dependent on these plants for their curative properties. Most of the paper is derived from pulp of coniferous trees. Other than this one, fibers of seed plants such as cotton, flax, and hemp are woven into making different type of cloths. Then we have certain plants with great medicinal values. For example, quinine that is extracted from a plant cinchona tree, as you can see in this diagram. It is long used to treat malaria, and it is also used to reduce fever and to alleviate pain.